factory key. You tap lock 3 times. So we got 1, 2, 3. We actually have a cell phone module on this kit as well, but the demo is just going to be on the factory key. So there you go, fires up. And then she'll crank up.
There it goes.
There you have it. And there we go.
The car will start.
One, 2, 3. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick demo on the app module that we installed on this Q3. So the basic functions are lock, unlock, remote start, remote stop. We also have a run timer here that will populate after it's remote started. And then we have battery voltage and the signal of GPS or cellular network. So it also gives you feedback on the door status as far as locked or unlocked. So if I push the lock button here, we will get the car locks, and then once we get the feedback from the module to the app, it will show that the doors are locked. So then we can hit unlock, same thing, the vehicle will unlock. Once it gets feedback to the app, it will show that the doors are unlocked, just like that. So as far as remote start and cancel, we're just gonna go ahead and hit the remote start button here. Give it a couple seconds and she's gonna fire up. So it's gonna run for 15 minutes. Once the remote start provides feedback to the app, it's going to populate the countdown timer, which you can see here. Now, if you guys want to cancel remote start, go ahead and just hit the cancel button here and it will turn remote start off. We also have a GPS locate feature here. So if I hit that little arrow, it'll populate this menu. You can see we have a map pin that's going to populate the map and then give you a pinpoint location where the vehicle is in real time. Now, it's not a tracker. It's more or less just kind of like ping it in real time to see where the vehicle's at. So let me go back. So this one will pop the trunk as well, but I don't have the auxiliary set up yet. But what you got to do is just go in. You can select auxiliary for trunk pop and you'll be good to go. But other than that, we're going to wrap this one up. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.